In our statement at the Traders Association on Thursday evening, it will only be necessary to mention briefly the high rate of interest to be charged for the loan on the new buildings, as we shall have a full discussion of the whole matter at the next meeting. Full stop. All the voting cards have been returned, and in nearly all cases the vote is in favor of the present president continuing in office. Full stop. Paragraph change. We shall be able to purchase the materials at first cost, and as we do a very large turnover, our profits should exceed, rather than fall below, those of last year. Full stop. As well as can be estimated beforehand, we shall have to increase our stocks at all our own depots, and as we may also require a new depot at Acton, we shall be obliged to increase the initial order. Full stop. In view of this, we shall expect prices to be much lower than the old rates. Full stop. Close.